With the announcement that Justice Corrigan will be stepping down, that means that Governor Snyder, very early on in his term, will appoint a new member to the state's top court. 24-Hour News 8's political reporter Rick Albin was in Lansing as well today. Talked with the governor about that choice. Rick?
Brian, it's a big decision for a brand new governor, one that's going to be watched with a good deal of anticipation and for a number of reasons. I asked the governor today about how he will proceed. Do you have a time frame for announcing a replacement, and who, generally speaking, will you be looking for?
Yeah, in terms of time frame, Rick, one of the goals is to have a smooth transition. So the justice's resignation is effective on the 14th, and I would expect to name someone before that date so there can be a smooth transition. In terms of who I'm looking at naming, as we're going through that process, again, if you look at all our selections on the executive branch side, we're going to continue that philosophy on the judicial side, really based on merit, finding the very best people. And one of the things that Justice Corrigan has represented, she has been an outstanding justice, a rule of law justice, and we're going to continue that path.
So in addition to some already interesting choices for his cabinet, from business leaders to former Engler administration officials to the former Democratic Speaker of the House, now Governor Snyder adds a soon-to-be former Supreme Court justice and sets up an appointment process that could have a big impact on his administration and maybe in some ways you wouldn't expect. Coming up in just a few moments, we're going to talk about that choice and why it will be watched closely and what some may try to read into that choice.